Imagine sipping on a vibrant orange cocktail, perfectly balanced between sweet and bitter, with just the right amount of fizz. That's the Aperol Spritz, a refreshing Italian drink that's become a summer favorite worldwide. Today, we're sharing an easy recipe that requires just 4 ingredients and takes seconds to make. Aperol, the star of this cocktail, is a low-alcohol Italian bitter made with rhubarb, oranges, and herbs. It's less intense than its cousin Campari, making it more approachable for a wider audience. Traditionally served as an aperitif to stimulate the appetite, Aperol Spritz has become a go-to drink for relaxed afternoons and early evenings. To make this cocktail, you'll need ice, Aperol, dry Prosecco, and freshly squeezed orange juice. While the classic recipe uses club soda, we're opting for orange juice to add a touch of natural sweetness that balances the bitterness of Aperol. Creating this drink is incredibly simple. Fill a large wine glass with ice almost to the top. Pour in 1.5 ounces of fresh orange juice, followed by 3 ounces each of chilled Aperol and dry Prosecco. That's it! Your Aperol Spritz is ready to enjoy. For the best results, start with chilled Aperol and Prosecco. This ensures your drink stays cool without becoming overly diluted by melting ice. It's best to make these cocktails one at a time to maintain their fizzy freshness. When choosing your Prosecco, opt for a dry or extra dry variety to avoid making the drink too sweet. Aperol Spritz pairs wonderfully with light Mediterranean-style snacks. Consider serving it alongside a cheese board, antipasto platter, or some bruschetta. It's also great with seafood bites like shrimp or smoked salmon. With its vibrant color and refreshing taste, Aperol Spritz is the perfect drink for outdoor dining on a warm afternoon or a relaxed evening with friends. Give this simple recipe a try, and you'll see why this Italian cocktail has become a global favorite. Cheers to easy, delicious drinks that bring a taste of Italian summer to your home.